parking the green panda. Look at my heatless kills, aren't they cute? Proper ringlets. I haven't brushed them out, I just left them to chill. Okay, say hi and bye.
Bye. Liquid breakfast.
Well, no, we've had a breakfast.
That's what.
We've landed and we are passport control took an hour and 10 minutes. But
There's only one guy.
I know, bless him. And there was like 400 and like 3 different flights. People. But it's only real before we get to go to Brazil get lost. Be excited. Look. Big change, and now we're gonna go and sit and wait for them, aren't we?
Yeah.
And he's gonna start crying because he's surprising his mum and dad, so it's gonna be dead cute.
Yeah.
Yamas.
Oh my god, Carlos!
Night 1, I'm so tired. But we're bloated from the plane, aren't we?
Yes.
So
I'm just trying to stay awake.
we're going to eat food and then we're going to sleep. So cute. It's all steamy the minute.
Yeah, it is.
No, shut up. Day 2. This is my little Shein set. It's a bit big though, but apparently it's cute according to him. Isn't it? We're going to Zia today, aren't we?
Yes. He's
So
not
I'll
like
just
an explorer.
We're off to, where are we off to? Zia.
See ya.
Hi! And this is Mr. Carlo. It's cute.
You're flying in restaurant.
No, went on there. So she goes there.
It's just cute.
Hello.
네. 이들은? 야.
Hello.
Hello. That's cute. That's a really cute bar that we went to last year.
Lemon bar.
Yeah.
I'm going to
And
stay.
then this is where all the cats get fed. Over here. And there's a market. There's a market in there? Or in there? That one? There's the market.
That's why I've not bad.
I know.
I've not brought it with me actually.
Oh no. We left it at home. Look at that. day 2, 3?
4 minutes.
We got here on Tuesday, it's Thursday. Isn't it look cute?
Mm.
We're gonna have lunch and then head into town.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're so tired. It's hard work doing nothing.
Mm.
Look at you, those 2 things up. I've actually put a full face of makeup on, and this is from Asda for like £4. I'm not sure how I feel about it because it's like a pattern print, but he says it looks nice. So. Today is pool day. We've just been down for breakfast, and it's your mum and dad go home tonight, don't they?
She's sweet.
His mum and dad go home tonight, and then we've hired a car for tomorrow morning.
There you go.
Zoom in on my nose.
I'm not.
I did.
No.
This is this year's holiday read. How cute's our little rental? Repping the Hyundai farm as usual. Off out for the day in our little rental, and it's a Hyundai, which it's an i20, which but everything will be the same as my
Power.
car. Oh, this is cyclist. But yeah, we're gonna go to Tingaki, Cardamina,
Hey, look at this. It's not like back at home. We have to give them loads of space.
and we might nip into Kefalos as
Get
well.
out my way.
We have been to all of these places before, but we were with parentals last year, with your parentals. So yeah, this is first time Rennie's driven on.
No.
No, I mean in how many years?
Oh.
He was like 18. This is the first time he's driven like this side of the car or this side of the road, because we've had his dad for the last couple of years, who's been our driver. But yeah, very cute.
Last time I drove on the left-hand drive car was... Oh no, was a Ferrari when I was 18.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
But it was literally €40. We got to do it through the hotel for the day, and we have like until whenever. He said if you get back early hours in the morning, it's fine, just hand your key into reception. It's actually been quite good, hasn't it, the process? So yeah, we're off now. It's gonna be exciting. We now have 4 days, 4 days on our own, because parentals in-laws left last night, so it's gonna be cute. This is my new fake Goyard. Isn't it cute?
Oh, yard.
Goyard. Cute. What have we bought? We bought loads of perfume and aftershave from this little fella down here. It's cute. Okay, this is the one we get our perfumes and stuff from. This one. Is that nice? Look at my little feet. Isn't that stunning? Let me have a view.
Happy?
Happy.
Good.
Like everything. Look at you on the camera. Oh,
Yeah.
Hello, it's Saturday. We've just been to Tigaki. We've got some perfumes from a really cute shop
Olive
called
Tree.
the Olive Market. And the guy in there is so cute. He always gives us a free soap and everything. And now we're going to Cardamina, which Cardamina is like my favourite place in Cos, but it's just out the way. Like if you stay in Cardamina, it's like half an hour to Cos town. So we stay in Lambie because it's closer to like Cos town and the harbour and everything. But Cardamina is actually really pretty, and it's cheaper as well, isn't it, for like clothes and stuff. And like, what's it called? Souvenirs, is that the word for like the souvenirs? Tat. So that's why I like Cardamina. It's a bit touristy though, isn't it? It's like the touristy. Is it more touristy, would you say, than anywhere else?
Yeah, it's a bit.
And Tingaki is only like small. It's like a one road situation, but it's got some nice bars and stuff. But that's our plan. We have it's a 16-minute drive. It's literally one main road throughout the whole of Kos. That is our plan for today. We're not going to the beach this year, but it's very windy, isn't it? Like it's really windy and it's colder, especially of an evening. It's like you need long pants on and a cardigan. But we've come a bit later this year than we did last year.
Ciao.
Take the sound off that. This is the main screen. called Aya Stefano. It's you. Yeah,
Happy?
We have been to shop and got some cards. We've also got comfy clothes on, you can't see, but we're about to hand the car back now. Sunday. I was going to say Monday then, Sunday. We are doing absolutely fuck all today. I'm going to read this.
Se llamas.
Yeah, nice. We having a conversation. Oh, row. 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 Are we having a conversation? Yeah. Oh, hi. Okay. This was our little spot that we sat in to sunbathe because it's very cute and out the way. We're ready to go.
Hola señor, ¿cómo estás? ¿Está bien?